Okay, so you're going to store, and this is a good thing for you to kind of sketch down in your notebook or on your project sheet. If you look at your design principles project sheet that I gave you a little blurb about how to create a folder, so if you need that for backup, it's there. But it's always helpful to just kind of write down your own visual, whether it's pictures or it's words, how you're going to set this up. Last class we went through and we gave you all an A, right? Do you all remember that? So we went through and we built all of our folders together and we gave ourselves an A. And I built mine on my Dropbox, and I asked you to build yours in your documents, right? So you'll notice that all of a sudden I have an extra file. We're not going to talk about that extra file just yet. That's going to be next week. But what I want to show you today is if you save something in the wrong place, we can always move it somewhere else. So I'm going to go here. Notice I have this window open right here. If I click on my desktop and I go to Command N, it'll bring up a new window. So I can have two windows open at the same time. All right. And here I'm going to go to where I asked you guys to keep it. So I want to go to my Documents folder. And under Favorites, you'll probably have a Documents folder there. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to take that project folder that I made. There's two ways I can move something on a Mac. One is I can literally just move it, drag it, and drop it. And now it's telling me I'm physically removing this from one place and putting it on another. So I'll say, yeah, go ahead, move that out of Dropbox. When it pops a window up, you want to read it. If you don't know what the window is saying to you, you want to ask someone who does, right? Don't click, because that click could save over your files. It could do all sorts of different things. So we want to be super responsible about that. Now, if what I want to do is copy it, so I want to have it on my Dropbox, but I also want to have it on this computer, I can hold down my Option key. So hold down the Option key first, and then drag and drop it to where I want it to be. And now it exists in both places. They are not connected in any way. One is a backup of the other. So once I monkey with this today on this computer, my backup over here will be the same. And if I want it to match, I'm going to copy it and put it there. All right?